Introducing Headline Studio's Headline AI, the brainstorming partner you've always wanted. Let's get started with a tutorial of how to use this AI-powered feature. Headline AI provides pre-built prompts for you so you can generate new headline ideas, get feedback in real time, and improve your headlines for maximum engagement. Simply start with a headline, then select the Headline AI tab to use AI to improve your headline and get new ideas. With this feature, you can instantly write click-worthy headlines, quickly overcome writer's block, improve your headlines, and scale your SEO strategy using AI.
So, for example, let's take this headline. It's a pretty good headline already, and it ranks a 68 on our headline score through Headline Studio. It's an okay score, but there are small tweaks we can make it to make it rank better for us. So, looking through suggestions in our tab lower on the screen, we can go to Headline AI to just make some quick changes to spice this headline up. So, from the pre-prompted questions given, we can go down and look at how can I write my headline with a different headline type, just to make small tweaks since the headline is quite strong already. So looking, we can see lists, how-tos, step-by-steps, why, questions, cliffhangers, or time, all different ways to write the headline. Personally, I like the step-by-step guide, so let's see how that ranks. So there we go. We've now made a stronger headline using Headline AI that ranks higher through the Headline Studio criteria. Now you can use this headline throughout your projects. Thank you for tuning into this demo. Now it's your turn to start using Headline AI to quickly write top performing headlines. Check it out in the app today.